Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the KINESIS Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB Split Mechanical Keyboard. The KINESIS Freestyle Edge RGB Split Keyboard allows you to arrange its two halves on your desk independently to create a wider stance and reduce shoulder or neck strain. Its mechanical key switches are larger, louder, and a bit tougher to press in comparison with the keys on our top pick from Logitech, but many people prefer the feel of a mechanical keyboard. With the recommended lift kit accessory, you can also tent the keyboard halves, raise their inner edges, to keep your wrists at a neutral angle. Typing on a fully split keyboard can take about 2 weeks to get really comfortable with, so we recommend the Freestyle Edge for people who are willing to accept a bit of a learning curve for a more comfortable typing experience. Moving on at number 4, we have the Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. The ERGO K860 from Logitech combines 4 helpful ergonomic features in a keyboard that operates much like any standard board. The Alice split shifts your elbows apart while keeping your forearms and wrists lined up. The tenting raises the keys upward in the middle, rotating your palms subtly toward one another. The optional negative tilt slopes the bottom edge above the top edge to keep the backs of your hands straighter. And there's a palm rest built in, which some find more comfortable during long typing sessions. Unlike other more aggressively ergonomic boards, there's no learning curve here. Typing on the ERGO K860 feels a lot like typing on a standard set of keys. The low-profile scissor switch keys are springy and easy to hit. You even get a 10-key number pad, navigation keys, and arrow buttons, all of which make it a full-featured and familiar accessory. You can program the keys with Logitech software, but this will likely appeal most to those who just want a plug-and-play board for a Mac or PC setup. At number 3, we have the Keychron C3 Pro QMK/VIA Custom Gaming Keyboard. We recommend the Keychron C3 Pro if you want to spend as little as possible for a delightful mechanical keyboard. It's a stellar value at just under $50, with factory lubricated switches, a gasket mount, multiple layers of internal foam, and other touches we don't usually see in this price range. The stabilizers avoid any aggressive rattling, and there's none of the pinging noise you get from many cheaper cases. All of this helps feel comfortable for typing, while the tactile brown switches in our test unit sound pleasantly clacky. As with any budget keyboard, you have to make some sacrifices. It only works wired, for one, and the ABS keycaps feel slicker and cheaper than the best PBT caps. While the case doesn't exhibit any serious flexing, it's still made of plastic. You also need to pay $10 extra to get a version with RGB backlighting and hot swappable switches. The base model is still a great buy for those looking to get into the hobby on the cheap, but it saddles you with a red-only backlight and prevents you from easily popping in new switches down the road. At number 2, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless. If you want the Wooting 80He's gaming-friendly features in a wireless keyboard, we like the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless Gen 3. It offers most of the same adjustable actuation and rapid trigger tools as the 80He, plus a protection mode that makes it harder to hit nearby keys by accident, and preset profiles for some popular games. The typing experience is a plus as well, with crisp and easy-to-reach PBT keycaps, a sturdy aluminum top plate, and smooth-feeling switches that are sufficiently muffled. There's a magnetic wrist rest in the box, and the whole thing can connect over a wireless dongle, Bluetooth, or USB-C. Our main issues with the Apex Pro involve SteelSeries GG app. So much of the experience with these analog-style keyboards comes down to software, and G is a bit less refined than utility across the board. At $270, the Apex Pro is definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum too. Still, the app is easy enough to grok over time, especially compared to other gaming models we've used, and the board as a whole gets much more right than wrong. And finally at number 1, we have the Kensington ProFit Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard. Our favorite budget model is easily the Kensington ProFit Ergonomic Wireless. This Bluetooth-enabled model has 3 different power settings that allow you to dial the bandwidth down to conserve battery life if you're near your computer, or turn it up to stay connected from a distance. A knocked-over beverage is nearly inevitable at some point for those who spend 40 hours a week at the desk. The Kensington ProFit Ergonomic Wireless is spill-resistant, so you can rest assured knowing that you won't destroy your investment in an accidental coffee splash. We love that this model offers adjustability for reverse tilt for those that stand while they type or like their wrists to be angled downward. It's nice to control your music or other media with dedicated keys. The Kensington ProFit Ergonomic Wireless has this option, but you'll need to hold the function button to use them. It's also great that this model has a small USB receiver, but keep careful track of it because there is nowhere on the keyboard to store it. Our testers found the keys on this device to be a bit light and not quite as comfortable as the higher-end models. Despite these few small flaws, we still think the Kensington Pro is the way to go for folks on a budget. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.